Hello, good morning. I am SEEMA GARG, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SBC Government College, Ajmer. Today, lecture 15, video 77 is for BSc Part 1, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2. Today, we will discuss reactive intermediates, nitrenes and arynes. Nitrenes. Nitrene is a electrically neutral and behave as electrophile because of electron deficiency. Nitrene is analog of carbene. Nitrene has 6 valence electrons, 2 bonded sigma bond electrons and 4 in 2 pairs of electrons. Nitrene is monovalent. See the structure of nitrene. Nitrenes, types of nitrenes. Like carbenes, nitrenes are also of 2 types, singlet and triplet. See the structure of singlet and triplet. Singlet nitrene, it is a sp2 hybridized nitrogen. Here nitrogen is sp2 hybridized, whereas in triplet nitrene, nitrogen is sp hybridized. Geometrical structure is linear. Stability. Triplet nitrene is more stable than singlet nitrene. Arynes. Best example of aryne is benzene. Arynes are also known as dihydroarynes. Arynes is equal to arynes minus 2H. The best known aryne is benzene, which is aromatic analog of acetylene. Structure of benzene, see here the structure. Aromatic pi bond electron delocalization along with the new bond formation of pi bond. It is poor overlapping. A new pi bond in benzene is formed by sideways overlap of sp2 orbitals of 2 adjacent carbon atoms. The triple bonds, that is it having 2 pi and 1 sigma in benzene, is highly strained because it cannot attain linearity due to cyclic hexagonal geometry of the benzene ring. New pi bond in benzene is very weak and highly reactive. So this is all about the reactive intermediates. The next part of this unit 1, it is about the stereochemistry, that is the structure of the stereo structures, conformational, configurational structures, structural isomers, enantiomers, diastereoisomers, all that. You can watch my playlist link in YouTube from video lesson 8 to 18. So this is all about the unit 1. Thank you very much.